one cycling on the pavements. Another scumbag cycling on the pavements. Oh, there's one there cycling on the pavements. What a dickhead. Another one cycling on the pavements. And then we've got one cycling on the pavements. Winker. Don't overtake someone with the indicating right, you twat. Oh, he's jumped the lights. What a plonker. Wrong side of the road. And there's another scumbag cycling on the pavements. Onto the pavement again. Fucking dickhead. Show me the lights. It's a one-way street here. This idiot's going the wrong way. Show me the lights. Another one on the pavement. There's one on the pavement. Now he's on the road. What is he doing? Another black cycling on the pavement. Another one cycling on the pavement. Dickhead. Another one cycling on the pavement. Show me the lights. 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 Twat going the wrong way down a one-way street. Oh, there's another tosser cycling on the pavement. What is this pillar doing? One on the pavement there. And there's another scumbag on the pavement. Piece of shit criminal. Another one cycling on the pavement. Jump in the lights and with a kid on board as well. I mean, that is shameful. Jump in the lights with a kid on board, you scum. And there's one going the wrong way up a one-way street. Flat. Oh, there's one there jumping the lights. What a dickhead.